Hi, hello, namaste. Welcome to the Gullus in the Kitchen. Today now I'm making an easy method of how to make an what should I do with peanuts and coconut? Crunchy peanuts, coconut rice is done. Ingredients what I'm adding: turmeric powder, coconut oil, Indian tadka, red chilies, mustard seeds, urad dal, curry leaves, coconut pieces, peanuts crushed and whole, chili powder, green chilies and grated coconut. For grated coconut, use this one for visible on coconut rice, and this is for coconut powder to make rice. Let's catch my recipes and follow my channel to know more my recipes. Take the vessel, pour oil, next add the Indian tadka, next add coconuts chopped. It's your optional, but I am adding for the visible when you are eating the coconut rice. Next add curry leaves, then add peanuts. I crushed and the whole peanuts also. 1 tablespoon crushed peanuts and 1 tablespoon whole peanuts. It will get nice tasty crushed peanuts. Next add green chilies. For the coconut rice, if you want exact taste, then add coconut parachute oil. It's an best taste for Kerala recipes. They are mostly used in all curries. Coconuts and peanuts cooked well. You can see. Then add turmeric powder, 1 tablespoon and 2 tablespoons chili powder. Next add coconut grated. Just to cook it for 2 minutes on low flame. Make it dry roast with the fresh coconut. You can see how it is dry roasted. The rice is prepared freshly. You can add leftover rice also, but I don't have a leftover food today, that's why I am adding fresh rice and add into this. You can see how nicely fried. It's like a little bit crispy. Next add rice into the coconut. Then cook it for 1 minute on low flame, then remove it. Last, check the seasonings. Finally, coconut rice is done. Now I am tasting. Decorate the garnish with coriander and mint leaves. Now I am tasting. Crispy coconut, grated and peanuts. It's a nice tasty. And color also it's like same biryani. Pulao type. Crunchy peanuts. Coconut rice is done. Thanks for watching.